Welcome back, friends, to Surviving the Daily YouTube channel. Today I'm going over a beginner's EDC for under $50. First we have the Maxim Edition Mini. Nice little compact pouch. Let's see what's inside of it. So we'll start from your left side, and we have a nice, inexpensive $2 pen light from Walmart. I haven't taken out the plastic battery protective cover yet, so as you can see, it doesn't turn on. We have a stainless steel pry bar bought on Amazon. I believe a pack of 5 of these for under $10. I put the paracord on myself. Back here we have a Fresnel Lens. You can buy quite a few of these for under $10 on Amazon. And we also have a mini first aid kit, what everybody likes to call a boo-boo kit. I hate that name. Next we have the Amazon Basics multi-tool. I did a review on already. It's a solid little beginner multi-tool. Again, for under $10. Has the tools on the outside, which is nice. Saw. I've already experienced how sharp that is. So it has all the tools you may need. We have a Work Pro utility knife. You get these here, usually on deal from Amazon. I think the most they want is $15 for 3, but I was able to get this here for under $11 for 3. A zebra pen, expandable with stylus. You get two pack of these at Staples for under $8. It's a very nice writing tool. Let's see. We also have the metal toothpick. Use multiple uses. Next we have a little thumb light. You can buy a pack of 10 of those, again under for $12 on Amazon. And last but not least, a Eyeglass Screwdriver Kit. Again, I don't remember how much I paid for a pack of 5 of these, but again, probably under $10. And then you have your notepad. Fortunately, it doesn't fit in here, but it's always good to have a notepad. And the sheath that the Amazon Basics multi-tool goes in. But we're going to put that in there for now. So yeah, there you have it. A beginner's EDC for under $50. Probably closer to under $40. And It's not that expensive to get into EDC if you're on a budget. But so I didn't make this for myself. I made this to give away on my channel once I reach 150 subscribers. Anybody who likes and comments on this video will be put in the running. The only thing I ask is that you be located in the United States. Unfortunately, I won't ship it elsewhere. But again, giving this away. Like, comment, and if you would, even share the channel. Like the channel, and I hope everybody has a great day and good luck.